If you want to add a text box in SurveyMonkey, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. This is a simple way to let respondents type in their own answers, whether you're collecting feedback, running a survey, or building a form with open-ended responses. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey dashboard, click on Survey to start working on your survey project. This will open the area where you can edit or create your questions. Next, click on Build. This takes you into the Survey Builder, where you can add different question types and customize the layout of your survey. Now look for the single text box option. This is the question type you want if you need people to enter a short written response. Double-click on single text box to add it to your survey. As soon as you do that, SurveyMonkey will place the text box into your survey and open the editing options for that question. From here, type your text and save it. You can enter your question prompt, add any instructions you want respondents to see, and make sure the wording is clear and easy to understand. After that, save your changes so the text box is added properly to your survey. And that's it. You've now added a text box in SurveyMonkey and you're ready to collect written responses from your audience. This is a really useful feature if you want people to answer in their own words instead of choosing from preset options. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.